Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Welcome, I will show you how to brew with a Black & Decker coffee maker. First, locate the removable water reservoir on the back or side of the machine. Fill the reservoir with cold water using the carafe, matching cups to the markers. Use 1 level scoop of ground coffee per 6 ounces of water for standard strength. Open the brew basket and insert a cone or basket filter as your model requires. Add the measured grounds, level them, and close the lid before placing the carafe. Place the filled carafe on the warming plate and confirm it sits flat and centered. Select brew strength if available. Choose regular or bold depending on your preference. Press the brew or start button to begin and listen for the pump and heating sounds. If your model has a program timer, set the delay time for automatic morning brewing. Allow the full cycle to complete for accurate brewing and avoid opening the lid during extraction. After brewing, switch the machine off or use the auto-off time. Allow the machine to cool before cleaning to protect yourself and internal parts. Remove the carafe, filter basket, and any permanent filter for washing in warm, soapy water. Wipe the exterior and warming plate with a damp cloth. Never immerse the base. Descale monthly using a 50/50 white vinegar and water solution, run a full cycle, then rinse twice. Replace worn parts, such as carafe lid or gasket, to prevent leaks and maintain performance. Store the unit unplugged in a cool, dry place when not used for.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.